I was invited here today by Tim King. He has taken some old scrap wood pallets and he is making some raised planting beds. So we were brought on board just to kind of help some of the students with some basic carpentry skills to take that raw material, make these planting beds that will also ultimately be used here at the school. Anybody that knows me or anybody in our company knows that we're passionate about the skilled trades, about passing along these basic carpentry skills. And this is just one more opportunity for us to show some of these students how to use a tape measure, how to use a drill, how to safely use power tools to build something productive and useful in life.
My job this year is outdoor wellness and leadership. So we have all three of those things, I think, going on here this morning. These are going to go outdoors. We're going to fill them with soil and start growing food. The food will be healthy, so that's a type of wellness. But also I think the students feel really good about creating something. And all kinds of leadership going on here too. We have the high school students are from Science National Honor Society, and it's amazing what a great job they're doing of leading the 5th and 6th grade students.
It's very cool. Actually, one of the girls was like, oh my God, I would love to join Science National Honor Society. So I think it's really cool to see that they're going to be one day in our shoes. Yeah, I think it's really neat. I like mentoring kids and like learning about their experiences. So it's also really nice to come back and like tell them about how like the different experiences I had in like intermediate and middle school like influenced my choices in high school. So that's also really meaningful.
I think it matters because it'll help out a lot with some of the science classes so that kids can actually experience stuff instead of just hearing about it. We have to work together and help out for a bigger cause and help out Mr. King with the boxes because he can't do everything himself.
We have a lot of integrity on display. We have leadership on display. Everybody showed up at 9 a.m. like they were supposed to. I asked them to bring gloves and a Phillips head screwdriver, and wouldn't you know, as they got out of their cars, they have gloves and a Phillips head screwdriver. So a lot of responsibility on display here this morning.
I think it's really cool that on their journey day, they came out of their way to come and do something for the community that's already showing like great skills of a Comet. That's great to see. Like even for us, it's like amazing to work with them. But
yeah, I think one of the biggest things I've seen in terms of like the portrait of a Comet skills is like the values of like service, because that's I think a big value that Mason fosters, and their like passion for serving the community by building these beds and like inspiring that culture of service is something that they're going to carry into high school, which is really awesome.
I think it's fantastic when we get the opportunity to take skills that we've got, pass them along to the next generation, and build something that'll last beyond all of us. So these students will be able to come back, see the plants that are grown, the fruits that are grown, what these boxes will ultimately yield. And I just think that's a neat component of our industry, that we get to build things that last.